For number 11, I have a picture of parallel lines cut by a transversal, and we're asked to name the angle relationship where the 53 degrees is and the 8x minus 9. So in terms of their location, I notice that they're inside of the parallel lines and they're both on the left-hand side of the transversal. So this would be consecutive interior. Then, since I have parallel lines, I can use my color pattern, where I color in the reds, the acute angles, and the yellows would be the obtuse angles. And every time I have a red and a yellow, it sums to 180. So if I look at 53 degrees, that's less than 90, so I know that's my acute angle. So I color that red, and then directly across from that would be my vertical angle. So they're always exactly the same. So that means the other pair here would be my yellows. Once I color in this group of 4, I color in the exact same pattern in the next group of 4, so this would be my position of my yellows, and then my reds would be here. So if I look at the picture now, I notice that 53 was red and the 8x minus 9 was yellow. Since I have a red and a yellow combined, I know the equation I can create in order to solve for x. I know that a red and a yellow sum to 180. So my equation would be 8x minus 9 plus 53. In other words, the yellow plus the red equals 180. So in order to solve this, I need to combine like terms. Negative 9 plus 53 would be 44. So I would have 8x plus 44 is equal to 180. So to get the x alone, I would subtract 44 from both sides. So I'm left with 8x equals 136. And lastly, I would divide both sides by 8, and we get x is 17.